Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Today I will let you know 5 amazing Excel tricks that will make you advance in Excel. So our first trick is how to use group by multiple aggregation. So just I will let you know how we can use this group by. So group by is the new feature we have in Excel 365. To summarize our data, simply we can use this group by is equal to group by open bracket, and now first you have to select this row field. So row field, I want the item, so I will select this item range with the heading which is the item. So you can select this item range, then comma, and now in value section you can select your sales. So I want to summarize this data, so I'm just selecting this item and then sales in value section, then comma. What I want sum right now, so you can type here sum, then comma. So next is field header. Field header means if you want to showcase like items and the sale as a heading, you can use this yes and show, or even you can type 3 and close the bracket, and you are getting this summarized data with the total. And now what I also want percentage of each item of the total. So what you can do, you can use in this group by function only, you can use in front of this sum, you can use here h stack function, open bracket, and now your first array is this sum, and now your second array is, you can use here another function which is percentage of, and just close the bracket and then press enter. See, I'm getting this percentage of sales, but right now this format is not according to that percentage. You can just select this range and go to this number features we have and click on this percentage. And now it is converted to percentage. So this is how you can use group by multiple aggregation. So just moving to next trick, which is how we can remove leading zeros in Excel. So this is the problem we have, like double zero we have in front of some numbers or some text, or triple zero we have, double zero, even five zeros we have. And how we can remove this, so we have to follow these 4 steps if you want to remove leading zeros. Simply what you can do, you can use first substitute function. Substitute, you have to substitute 0 to this blank. Simply you can use substitute, then select your text, which is this the problem cell, then comma, and now your all text is, you have to type in double quote, like all text is 0, and your new text is, you have to give blank. Just drag this to all, and now this, we are getting this text only or the numbers without the zeros. Now we have to find out the first character. Simply you can use left function and select your cell, close the bracket. So simply you have to select this cell, which is the substitute function, and you're getting this, and you're getting this first character. You have to drag this, you're getting this first character. Now you have to find out the position of first character. So for this we are using find function. Find function is used when you want to find out the position. Simply you have to select the find text. Find text is what? This is our find text. And what is within text? Within text is this problem text. Close the bracket, and see, I'm getting this 3 because B is on third position. So you can just drag this, right? Then you have to cut the string. So for cut the string, we will use mid function. Mid function is used when you want to find out, or you want to cut the string. You can select the text first. So what is the text? Text is this problem cell, then comma. What is the starting number? The starting number is this finding position. The number of characters you can give 100. See, you're getting this without any zeros, and you can just drag this to all, and it's done. This is how you can remove leading zeros in Excel. So just I'm moving to next trick, which is how we can use sort and filter function in a one go. Simply, if you have this data set like employee ID, full name, job title, department, and the annual salary, Now I have to first filter this data, and then after this I have to sort this data with the help of sort and filter function. So simply you will use here filter function and select this array. Array is what that you want in return. So I want this range. I'm just using shift control right arrow key and then down arrow key to select this range. And if I want to go back to my formula, I can use control backspace, then comma, and what is my include part? So I want to filter it out with the department. So you can use the department range. So in include part, I'm just selecting this department range. So to go back to your formula, you can use control backspace. Then you can use is equal to. So I'm just typing here department. So I'm just selecting this cell and close the bracket. So you're getting this filtered data. Now I want to sort this data in ascending or descending. So just I will give that ascending or descending in this cell. So first I have to apply that sort function in front of this filter function. Sort you can use to sort your data simply. Then comma you can use. Sort array is this filter function. Sort index is, so I want to sort this data by annual salary, and annual salary in this data I have on my fifth column. So I will type here 5 for sort index, then comma, and sort index you can select, and for the sort order you can select this cell, because I will type that +1 or -1 here only to sort my data ascending or descending order. So right now I'm getting this value error, but if you type here 1, it will showcase your data in ascending order, or if you type here -1, it will showcase your data in descending order. So this is how we can use sort and filter function in a one go. So just I'm moving to next trick, which is how we can randomize the names in different groups like this. So just I will let you know how we can use this. We have some names here and I want to randomize these names into different groups. So instead of doing manually like this, one by one, we can do it with the help of function is equal to wrap rows we can use. And now we have to select that vector. So vector is the range where you have some names, and then you can use comma. And what is your wrap count? I want to wrap this in 3 rows. So you can just type 3, just close the bracket and see. Now it is just wrap into 3 groups, but I want to wrap this into 4 groups. So what you can do, you can just type here like 4. Then you will get in 4 columns like this. And now I want to randomize. Right now it is just in a sequence. You can see here Hitesh, then we have Vishal, then we have Rahul, then we have Satnam. But I want to randomize these numbers. So what we can do, you can just give it a heading like random numbers and use here RAND, which is a random formula. You will get some random numbers here and you can just drag this to all. And now you can apply here filter and sort this in smallest to largest. This is how you can randomize these numbers with the help of this RAND formula. See, it is randomized right now. So just I'm moving to next trick, which is how we can replace colors in Excel. So what I want to replace this color in this range. I want to replace this blue color, blue and white we have, white and text we have. I want to replace this to this purple color. So how we can replace this? What we can do, you can select this range and now you can press Ctrl H to get the replace box, dialog box, you will get this. And now you have to click on this format, you have to click and click on this choose format from cell. Now you have to select that format, so it will just find what is blue color. See, we are getting this format. Now what is the replace with? Again we will go to this format and click on this choose format from cell, and now we will select our new color. So this is a new color, and just click on replace all and click on OK, click on close, and you can see here it is done. So this is how you can use these 5 amazing Excel tricks that will make you advance in Excel. And if you have any query regarding Excel, you can post a comment in the comment section and you will get this practice sheets in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video.